program.
Well,
Right
you're
while
looking
we were
good.
under. Oh, thank you. Well, thank you. It's thanks to you. Everybody has been saying that they're really noticing it now. I've released overall 16 pounds, and it's coming off like crazy now. In the beginning, it was 3 to 4 pounds during the program, and I'm down to with the blood pressure 170 over 62, and I feel better than in a very, very, very long time. And being able to talk to you every morning and ask all these questions that come up overnight and throughout the day, and practicing doing this program from home is really a blessing. It is amazing because you are training how you work your way through the rest of your life from the beginning, because you're practicing to cook healthy at home. You have everybody surrounding you constantly answering personal questions. It's amazing. And then the mornings, to start off with the coach, I was working with Corey, and it was wonderful every morning to have every little thought that comes up in terms of questions and worries and doubts and or how to's, and why is my weight not going down fast enough, and and which it is coming off now in just spades, and it just took sticking with it. And it's amazing. And then having the mornings to talk to you, and all the questions that everybody had. It's not just me asking direct questions, which was amazing to get to do that, but also others coming up with questions. I learned so much from them with your answers, because there were some questions out there I didn't even know that were out there. I wasn't that far. So it was wonderful. That personal interaction just was a real highlight. And the lectures are amazing. There's such a deep immersion, and everybody's so approachable. It really got rid of so many little hurdles that I had built up internally, psychologically. I mean, it's not just knowing the how to, but also working with the emotional side of it. And I had not paid enough attention to that those are also very important. And then the continued support, the depth of information, the buy-in is just really big, because there's so much science behind it. It really explains it so well. It just hit home. The presentations were really good, and practicing at home, the cooking. I worked my way through. I just cooked my way through all the videos that you have during the program. And because I decided this is a new language. Cooking like this is just like learning a new language. So I just left everything behind that I knew before, and I embarked on it as if I'm learning a new language, and I'm just practicing it. And the videos made it fun, because I felt like I was in your kitchen and cooking with you. So I wasn't alone with the task.
Yeah, I want you to know, Candida, is not only have you lost weight, you look years younger. I wish we could put up. We've got plenty of before pictures of you 3 months ago.
Yeah.
The 16 pounds not only shows in terms of 16 pounds, as I talked about, I think it was in my November 2016 newsletter, your complexion is dramatically improved.
Oh, that's amazing.
Your youth, everything. So
my hair.
I'm sure people are coming up to you and not just saying you lost weight, but what in the heck did you do?
They are asking now. And I mean, my skin is just amazing. I never even thought of that. My face was square, and now I mean, it was literally square, and because I was eating so much meat, and I mean, I went through the paleo, the keto. I was diligent. I even fasted for 10 days on my own, water fast, and I wanted the answer. I'm willing to do the work, but I have the history of my charts of my weight charts with each program that I did. I would drop radically, really fast, very exciting, but then I would gain way more beyond, and then I'd try the next one, and I'd drop really fast, and I would gain way beyond. I know through the program and the science, I really understood why I was where I was and what got me there. And I had a solution. So all I had to do is just cook my way and practice the cooking. So building up the habits of just cooking healthy and eating healthy no matter what. And then I started even working on my thought patterns. And we built a beyond. I just started a Zoom call with everybody that was in the group every morning to get together to kind of continue to talk about it and support each other, because what you get during the program meant so much. I realized that level of support, plus the meeting with Corey, that level of support is really what is going to turn this into it's already turned into a lifestyle, because I practiced it during the program and it continued. I mean, my hair is so soft. It's amazing. And my nails have grown. They used to have ridges and they're flat and shiny. It is amazing, all the differences. My eyesight has improved. I used to have a cyst on my knuckle of my left hand, and that is going away, which, by the way, built up with the paleo and keto. And now it's going away. It's amazing. The energy. Oh, this is the biggest thing for me. There's two more. The energy. I used to be so exhausted. I used to think after lunch, I would drag myself through the day and hoping I'd find a minute to just close my eyes for a second. And it would never be restful. Now I have all this energy that comes out, and it's not like a big surge, but it's like this, it's the solid energy that I have throughout the day that just, I mean, it's just there. I love naps, but I don't need them. I would have them if my body would ask for it, but it doesn't happen anymore. It's not asking for it anymore. And then the other thing is the mood. So I realized I had no idea that starches calm you down. I was doing this program in midst of evacuation warnings. We had a moving truck in front of the house, moving things out and packing up because so many friends had lost their own home, including you. I know, I've seen it, what it means to people when everything's gone. And so this was a high anxiety level. My time and my answer used to be, I needed to eat for energy, and I needed to eat to calm myself down and the anxiety down. And none of that happened in this program. I realized very quickly, oh my God, as long I just have a potato or a sweet potato, that'll calm me. Sweet potato even faster. I have 3 slices of sweet potato will already calm my nerves down. The biggest thing though is that I can handle things so much better. Things that come at me with all the changes and the smoke, and I mean, I don't want to get into details, but a lot of anxiety triggering situations and constantly being nimble and having to change and adapt. I'm figuring out how to stay healthy, how to stay happy, how to move. My body wants to move now. So I incorporated a regular schedule of doing video workouts because I could not go outside because of the smoke. So my mind becomes more limber, more nimble. It finds solutions where it didn't before. I feel like there's not only a physical elasticity of being able to stretch better, to move better, have the energy, more energy, my skin is more elastic, but my mind is more elastic. It is amazing how I can problem solve now it's all based on this food. I had the tools before. I just wasn't even capable. I didn't have the chemical makeup to use them, the tools. The tools are all theory unless your chemistry is balanced and it's there and it's steady and the body is trusting me now to make the right decisions. So it's not going through panic anymore. It's not, there's a dialogue. I can hear now what my body's telling me. I can listen to it. Which starch do I want? What vegetable do I want? I don't want to take up all this time, but
no, go ahead.
this
This is
program-
fine with me. This is